Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily check or improve the quality of your printing on the BROTHER DCP-T510W. So as you guys can see, here we have the entire menu. So now what we need to do is click on the menu button. Here we have the maintenance. So what we need to do is simply click on OK. Here we have the improved quality, so now click OK. And here we can check the quality, so basically click OK. And now we need to set the paper and press start. So the paper is already in my printer, but if yours isn't, then simply load it with paper and then click start. So as you guys can see, now we need to wait for it to stop printing, and it may take a while. And now, as you guys can see, here we will get the paper, and here we have the print quality check sheet. And here we have the informations that if the streaks are still visible, even if those all 4 color blocks are correct with no gaps, then simply we need to try and click on the correct feed function in the maintenance menu. So here, as you guys can see, we have if the quality is okay. Here we can click yes or no depending on the quality check. So for me it was okay, and as you guys can see, now it's completed. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next videos. Bye.